So the short story behind this Gogogongo challenge that is currently trending by Mike Ejaya is this. Once upon a time, the king's daughter was ready for marriage, and the king announced to the villagers that whosoever that brings the elephant to him will be the right person for his daughter. On hearing this, the other animals got discouraged because an elephant is not just an animal that you can just pull like that. It's not a little animal you can drag. So they all got discouraged. But the tortoise was not discouraged because he knows his trick very well. And luckily for him, the elephant was actually his friend at that moment. So he went straight to the elephant and told him that the king will be having an ofala on so and so day, and he has promised to make him the chairman of the occasion. The elephant was so happy because ofala is a very big festival, and him being the chairman of the occasion seems like a very big honor to him. So he agrees to go for that occasion. On that particular day, the tortoise got to the elephant's house and they proceed to the event. But the tortoise purposely was walking slowly. And when the elephant got tired of his slow movement, he asked him to hasten up. But the tortoise told him that he can't hasten up because his movement is always slow. And he pleaded with the elephant if he can carry him on his back. And the elephant agreed. So the tortoise climbed on the elephant's back. Again, he pleaded, please, can I tie this rope on your neck to enable me balance well? Because I might fall if you start moving very fast. And the elephant agreed. So he tied the rope around his neck and held it. So they proceed. On getting too close to the event, he started singing, Nameza Batame, which means, my king, I have brought or catch the elephant, whichever way. Hearing that, the elephant was confused and he was like, he said, like, who did you catch? What did you say? He said, Asimala ya gozie gị chebe gị. Ọ dịka sị na agbata m, that means I said that the land should bless you. And it looks as if I'm saying that I've caught the elephant. That is not what I mean. You misunderstood me. They proceed to the event. So on getting there, he handed over the rope to the king. Because in Igbo land, if you are taking any live animal to someone, maybe to an event, burial or so, you need to tie a rope around the neck of that animal. That rope is what you're handing over to that person, which means that this, you're in possession of this and you're handing it over to this person. That is what it signifies. So immediately he handed over that rope to the king. The king was so happy and he declares him the husband of the princess. So that was it. That was the end of the story. So in this story, Mike Ejai was trying to let us know that some friends, some people that you call your friends are not really your friend. So you should be careful of the type of friends you keep. Thank you.